here is what you can do in order to organize apps on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. We're gonna start with basics. Of course, we can change position of apps that we have in the home screen. You can press and hold your finger on any of these apps, and once you see these options, you can start moving your app around and then decide where it should be placed. Of course, we can switch between pages as well. You can also go all the way to the right side in order to create a new page. So you can, of course, spread apps into different pages if you want to. And of course, if you want to have more apps in the home screen, then you can go to the app drawer, and now we can press and hold our finger on the app that should be added into the home screen and then start moving it to be redirected to the home screen and just place the app once again where it should be located on the home screen. Now, in addition to that, of course, we can create folders in order to organize apps in folders. So in order to do that, you need to press and hold your finger on the app in the home screen, for example. And if you start moving it, then you need to drop it on top of another app. And there we go. We have created a folder with 2 apps. Of course, we can keep adding apps into the folder. Simple as that. Just drop them on top of that folder, and this is how it looks like. Unfortunately, in terms of customization, the only thing that we can do is change the name of the folder, and that is literally it. Of course, we can also change the position of the folder, but we cannot make it bigger, we cannot resize it, we cannot do anything more with it, just the change of the name. So this is how we can organize our apps on the home screen. Unfortunately, the app drawer or the app library over here, or the app list, cannot be really personalized that much. The only thing that you can do really that is somewhat impactful for organization is the suggestion list. So usually by default at the top we have 4 apps that are app suggestions, which can be toggled. I'm going to show you in a second how to do that. But with the app drawer itself, we cannot really do much. This is just alphabetical list, and it just looks like this, and that's all. Now, if you want to toggle app suggestions, then you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, go to Home Settings, and then go to Suggestions. And over here we can toggle suggestions in the app list. There we go. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.